how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. In this video, we'll guide you through the process on both desktop and mobile devices, so you can easily cancel your subscription no matter which platform you're using. Let's start with canceling your Prime membership using a web browser. First, log into your Amazon account and hover over the Account and Lists option. From the drop-down menu, click on Prime Membership. On the top right-hand side of the page, look for the Membership heading and click on Update, Cancel, and More. Then, select End Membership. On the next page, click Cancel My Benefits. Amazon will then ask you to reconsider your decision. If you still want to proceed with the cancellation, click Continue to Cancel. Amazon will give you one more chance to change your mind, but if you're certain about canceling your Prime subscription, click Cancel Membership. Now let's move on to canceling your Prime membership using the Amazon mobile app. Open the app on your iOS or Android device and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the menu at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on Your Account. Scroll down until you find Memberships and Subscriptions and tap on it. Next, tap on Prime Membership Settings. Tap on Manage Membership. Look for the last option in that menu, which says Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and More, and tap on it. Now, tap on End Membership. Amazon will display a list of benefits to try and convince you to keep your Prime membership. Scroll past them and tap on Cancel My Benefits. Finally, ignore the benefits once more and tap on Continue to Cancel. And there you have it. Your Amazon Prime membership should now be successfully canceled. Remember that if you cancel before your renewal date, you can still enjoy Prime benefits until the end of your current billing cycle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.